hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Hi lovelies, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 7. In today's vlog, I'm going to work. As I told you last night, I have to be at work for 6:30 this morning. I'm just trying to get ready. I forgot to do a couple of things last night, like to fill the boys' reading record and also to pack their fruits so that my husband can just heat up their food and pack that for packed lunch. So that's basically what I'm going ahead to do in this clip you see here. So how's everyone doing? How are we keeping up and preparing for Christmas? Let's just jump right into our gratitude post for today. I am most thankful for personal growth. This year, 2024, I took on quite a lot of projects, the background that I have not fully disclosed here on the channel. Well, I'm just grateful that this year I've not only been able to improve as a person, but my skills and all of that. I'm just grateful to God that even though it feels and it felt like a lot, I'm just grateful to God that He has seen me through it, and as the year is winding up, I'm finishing off better than I started the year. Alright, so keeping up with our Christmas challenge, we're just going to dive into chapter 6, and it just talks about Jesus' teaching and interactions with others. Hi lovelies, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. Guys, we've come a long way. 7 days already. When did we start Vlogmas? Congratulations to Trust Classic on winning the giveaway prize. So these are the items I got from Dossier. I got 5 perfumes from them. I've reviewed 3 of their perfumes in the past, a couple of vlogs ago. And yes, I got some that I got the last time because I really loved the perfume. I'm also looking forward to trying some of the other scents. But yeah, she's won herself one of these perfumes. I'll be reaching out to her via Instagram to mail her own perfume. So let's just open one and see. So this is the first one. This is citrus ginger. So the top notes for this one are peppermint, lemon and ginger. Let me see what it smells like. It smells like old money. You know, like all those rich people, like it's their generation that's been rich. Smells really sophisticated. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but it smells like really, really classy people. It's giving sophisticated. Anyway, you guys, let's get on with today's vlog. So if you entered the giveaway and you didn't get picked, please don't despair. Every 5 days we're going to have a giveaway. So the next giveaway will be on the 10th day of Vlogmas Day 10. So please stick around for that. There's lots to be won, and then there's a grand prize that's going to be won on the 25th. That's the one where the winner goes home with the hamper that just has all the bits and bobs from me and from various brands that I've worked with in this last year. So you guys, Dossier is having a holiday sales where they are having 50% discount on all of their perfumes. You have from now up until the 15th of December to go on their website and place your orders, just so that you have something nice to give to your family and friends, or even for yourself. So go over to the website and shop. All right, so still on our Christmas challenge, you remember yesterday we talked about the Pharisees when they wanted to stone Jesus for proclaiming himself as the Son of God, and you know, almost saying he's equal with God, and they almost stoned him to death. In chapter 6, they came for him again just because his disciples were picking grain on the Sabbath day. We see that from verse 1 to 11. There were other things that they were angry about him for. They were also angry that he raised or he healed someone that was sick on the Sabbath day, because it was, you know, supposed to be a holy day and all. Did Jesus perform surgery? I don't understand, because the Pharisees were they were a bitter bunch of people. Also from verse 12 to 16, we see where Jesus selected his disciples, where he did that prayerfully on a mountain where he went to pray, and then he was convinced that these 12 were the ones that he was going to go ahead with his ministry with. And then finally from verse 17 to 49, we see Jesus preach a sermon where he talked about so many things. He talked about blessings and curses. He also talked about the Beatitudes in this chapter. He talked about loving our enemies, judging others. He also talked about the tree and its fruit, where by their fruit you shall know them. And lastly, he spoke about the wise and the foolish builder, where he compared those who act on the word that they hear as of wise builder, while those who just hear the word and not do anything about it as foolish builders. Are you guys keeping up with your Bible reading? I know it can be challenging at times. I always break mine into segments, the days where I read the Bible, but days when I can't read the Bible, I always use the audio version. So you might want to try that, so that don't be an excuse for you. If you can't sit down to read the Bible, just use the audio version, okay? Alright, so yesterday I told you guys I was preparing to make Gizdodo. This is actually my very first time trying this recipe out, and later that night when the boys were in bed, I was vibing in the kitchen to experience 19. I had such an amazing time. This was Limo Blaze's section. I also enjoyed BJM's ministration. I also enjoyed Dossier and a host of others. I was really blessed. Anyway, I broke into this aggression chopper, whatever, just call it whatever you want to call it, but I just broke into it that particular night and it made my life so much easier. Alright, so the last thing I did before I went to sleep was to unbox this package I got from Unicurt. This is an Instagram vendor that I'm so blessed to work with this Christmas season. They have quite the collection for this holiday season, so you might want to go on their website and check it out. They also sent me some of their freebies, like their fridge magnets and some of their Santa dolls. I also got some Christmas cards as well as 2 full curtains. These are dual sets, and they also came with pillow casing covers as well. I really love the texture of this fabric. I love how it looks, and I also got a complimentary blanket with fringe. It's so soft, you guys. It is so soft. I really love it. The installation was quite easy. I picked this particular style because I felt like it would go well with my space. It does match my blinds, and so that's why I chose this particular one. On their website they have a ton of fabric to choose from, tons of designs as well. They also do different themes, so whether it's Christmas, fall, whatever it is you're into, they have something for you. I really love how this looks. I also decided to try this out with the clear ones as well, or the off-white color. I really love the design. I chose this one lined, and these curtains are actually custom made. Their fine fabric is made with high quality materials, and they ship free worldwide. So you guys feel free to click on the link in my description box. It will take you directly to their official website, where you can get to partake of their amazing discounts that last up until the 31st of December. You guys know that ever since we moved into this house, I have been intentional about decorating my space, and I always go for premium quality every single time. And so when I found this website, I was so glad I did. The quality of their fabric, the response, the free shipping, all of that was a big sale for me. Don't forget to let me know what you're grateful for in the comment section. I always look forward to reading your comments and seeing how you guys are preparing for Christmas as well. Alright my lovelies, that brings us to the end of Vlogmas Day 7. Thank you so much to everyone who has watched up until this point. Remember to check out the brands that I've mentioned in this video. They will be linked in my description box below. Partake of their end of year sales. You will be glad you did. See you guys in Vlogmas Day 8.